So you can see I'm using the palette and talking to you as I'm doing my eyeshadow, my makeup. It's not going anywhere. They're all magnetic. I'm running low on this one, so when it's all the way out, I'll replace it and just pop it in. So instead of buying a whole palette of a ton of colors that maybe I use 2 or 3 of, this gives me way more freedom. And somebody asked me about the eyeshadows. I love the eyeshadows. There's so many that in my palette at home I have way more, but I figured I needed to pare it down for this trip, for this next couple weeks, you know, make do with what I have. And you can see I use this one for my eyebrows and my eyeliner a lot. It's kind of coming apart. So, because let's be honest, I have dropped this a couple of times. And if that's the only casualty, I'm way ahead of the game. So let's put on some mascara, a little bit heavier than I had. And I'm using Thrive mascara. I like it because it's water resistant and it makes my lashes really long because I'm not gonna wear, I usually wear, what would you call it? Glue on lashes? Glue on lashes. I tried extensions and it didn't work for me, just like I've tried extensions in my hair and that didn't work for me. I changed my mind too quickly. You know, to sit through the process of getting extensions and then decide, you know, the next day, wait a second, I want short hair, or wait a second, I don't like the color, I want a different color. So Wigs have given me that freedom. So I'll put a little down here. The other thing I like about this mascara is it doesn't smudge down below by the end of the day. So here we go. And let's see, what else do we need? I think we look pretty good. Okay, so let's do a little more highlight here underneath my eyes. So this is the highlighter, and I think this is called Candlelight. And I use my, just a gentle brush, this one, and I just kind of tap. I don't want to, you know, the skin under our eyes is very thin, especially as we age, so I just want to tap it in. And because it's a cream makeup, it doesn't settle into my lines and it doesn't look dry, at least in my opinion it doesn't. Here we go. Okay, and we'll do some lips. I'm really loving this color. So yes, you could use a lip brush. There is a lip brush. And so sometimes I'll show you what I do sometimes. I take my contour and I just lightly put it under my lower lip and on the bow. Of my upper lip, and I blend into my lip. Just like that, got a little transfer color. Let's see. And then you can take the other end of that brush. These tools were well thought out, I'm telling you, and put some color on it. Maybe you've inspired me to switch the order because I find myself flipping back a lot. Okay, and then put some color on the lower lip. And then on the upper lip, I don't want to drag it all the way down because then you're going to look like I have a frowny face. So I just do it here, kind of on the bow, just like that. And make sure you don't have lipstick on your teeth. Yeah, looks good. All right, so that's my look for today. I'd like a little bit of more forehead makeup. This is just shadows if you're an artist, and I am not an artist. They call SEINT makeup people SEINT artists, and I know artists go to school just like musicians go to school to fine-tune their craft. So by no means am I a makeup artist, but I would say I am an artist of my face because I've done this for years. And let's see, I'm just kind of refining as I look in the mirror behind you. I want to do a little more. And that's the beauty, and I would recommend build. Don't just go in dark. You can always add. It's harder to take away. Just like in sewing, you know, measure, 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 and then cut. Don't cut right away because you can really mess it up. Same with hair cutting. Okay, so that's the look, and let's go with the hair. So today we're gonna do Raquel Welch, and this is a new one for me. This is, I'm gonna have to think about it. I just got her. Oh, I love her. So pretty. I'm gonna wear a plaid kind of jacket thing. The gal, one of the gals who I saw last night had this haircut, and it just made me think, I wanna be in this hair. So it does have a left side part, and so I am, you know, parting it over there, but it's got fringe bangs and this nice wavy area. I love Jon Renau for that ease of wear. And you can kind of see, I'm gonna wear it, I think I'm gonna wear it in my eyes unless it drives me crazy. Let's see, pull her back a little bit. That's when the 8 head comes in handy, because you can pull the wig back. Yeah, I like it. Well, I hope that's helpful. If you're interested in Saint makeup, please DM me and I can send you a link. I'd love to work with you. If you're interested in wigs, also send me a link because I can hook you up with some discounts and some recommendations. Wigs.com has people on site that will do consultations, so that's also very helpful. They're all about education, and that's why I represent Wigs.com. And I'm new to Saint, but I've learned a lot, and I've worn makeup my whole life. So if you need some tips or tricks, please reach out. I hope you have a great day. Cheers.